Hey everyone, and welcome back to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a paper that could fundamentally change how our AI assistants work, especially on really big, complicated tasks. The paper is called AgentFold, and it tackles a huge problem with today's AI agents. Have you ever felt like an AI gets lost or confused if you ask it to do too much at once? Well, that's a real issue that researchers are trying to solve. Currently, most AI agents fall into one of two traps. The first type is like a digital hoarder. It saves every single piece of information from its work history. After a while, its brain or context window gets so cluttered with raw data that it can't find the important signals anymore. The second type tries to be neat by summarizing everything at every step, but this is risky because it might accidentally throw away a critical detail early on, which completely ruins the rest of the task. The researchers behind AgentFold were inspired by how the human brain works to solve this. Instead of having a messy, ever-growing log, AgentFold has a dynamic, cognitive workspace. It learns to actively manage its own memory using a clever process called folding. There are two types of folding. The first is granular condensation. This is like taking a long, detailed note and summarizing it into one key takeaway, preserving the important info in a compact form. The second, and perhaps more powerful, is deep consolidation. This is what the AI does when it realizes it's gone down a dead end after many steps. It can take that entire failed subtask, summarize it as this approach didn't work, and completely remove the irrelevant details from its memory. So, does this new approach actually work? The results are absolutely striking. This chart shows AgentFold, a 30 billion parameter model, performing on par with or even better than models that are over 20 times its size. It's also surpassing some of the big proprietary models we hear about every day. But the most mind-blowing result is how it manages its memory. This graph shows that after 100 steps, a standard agent's memory is overflowing. In contrast, AgentFold's context is an incredible 91% smaller, saving a massive amount of computational resources. This efficiency means AgentFold can keep working on a problem for hundreds of steps without breaking a sweat, as you can see here. While other powerful AIs run out of memory and stop, AgentFold's performance just keeps getting better as it has more time to work. So, to recap, AgentFold is a new kind of AI that actively curates its own memory, much like a human does. It knows what to remember in detail, what to summarize, and what to forget entirely. This makes it incredibly efficient and allows it to tackle long-horizon problems that were previously out of reach. In the future, this could lead to AI assistants that can perform complex, multi-day research projects, debug enormous codebases, or plan intricate events, all with minimal human oversight. It's a huge step toward more capable and autonomous AI. That's all for today on Summarize Science. Thanks for watching.